Hey, not Umsilegu trying to use his strategy that he used on Umayin. Now he's taking that very same strategy and giving it to Mpumelelo to use it on Ovuyo, guys. Hey, well, guys, the way I laughed when I heard this, because I'm just like, these men are out here thinking that, you know what, if you just use the right strategy, you can win any woman over. So, Mpumelelo on the last episode of Izingane Zesthembu, Mpumelelo basically went to see his father and they are having a conversation about this whole thing of Mpumelelo basically zamaring to take Isthembu. Someone actually left a comment for me and they said, I must stop saying that Mpumelelo has Isthembu because Isthembu is for people who are married and those are his girlfriends. So let me just say, Umelelo is trying to have his temper, you guys, because you know what, that person is right. But you know, we all know what we mean when we say Umpumelelo is temper, guys. We're trying to say that he is trying to get himself in a polygamous marriage with his girlfriends. Anyway, so Mpumelelo is explaining the whole thing of Uvuyokazi that he doesn't trust that Uvuyokazi really like is in it for the whole for the long haul. He doesn't trust that Uvuyokazi is gonna stay. And Umselegu basically says something interesting to Mpumelelo, and he says, "Big Uvuyokazi." He says, "But you know what? I get it, but at the same time, I'm like, I don't get it." He was basically saying to Umpumelelo that Umpumelelo is the one that has the vision. He's the one that has the vision. So he needs to be the one that lays himself down, humbles himself, and begs Uvuyokazi. And he's basically telling Umpumelelo that his approach to Uvuyokazi is everything. And he basically said to Umpumelelo that we can win her over. We can win Uvuyokazi over if you use the correct approach. And I'm just like the humble yourself. In all honesty, I do believe to a certain extent that if Umpumelelo had a lot more respect for Uvuyokazi, even the way he did things and presented things, I truly do think Uvuyokazi would still be around. I don't think it's even a matter or question of Uvuyokazi doesn't love Umpumelelo. I think she really does still love Umpumelelo, but I feel like the way he did things gives off the vibe that he doesn't love her. And unfortunately, or fortunately enough, Uvuyokazi saw things for what they are, that if a man's treating me or if you're treating me and speaking to me like this, it clearly means ukuthi awusangidingi. It clearly means that you don't have regard for me as before. But Vuyokazi's issue, guys, was that she wanted to be umamkulu and she was not going to settle for anything less than that. All right? But when you think of Mayeni's issue, you guys, now I don't know Mayeni if she wanted, I don't think with Mayeni it was the exact same thing. I don't think she wanted Isthembu from get-go. I don't think if Umusa married Umayeni as a first wife, the hope I don't know if this whole polygamy thing would have existed, or I don't know if she would still stick around. Right? But we do know that Musa was with Umayemi. Things didn't work out. He went to and marry Umatele, but he went to and fetch Umayemi again and basically paid her. He did everything in his power to bring back Umayemi back into this whole situation. Now, I don't know what type of reasoning did he use, but sometimes I'm just like, I feel like Musa is indirectly saying that, maybe that Uvuyokazi will go around, maybe dates around, and then eventually see that it's best to eventually settle with your baby daddy. And then on that regard, maybe eventually Umpumelelo can win her over. Listen, I'm not mad at that possibility because I mean, guys, rough out there. If you ask anyone who is out in the dating streets, guys, rough. So I honestly do believe that it wouldn't be all their bad. It wouldn't be all their bad. But I'm just like, I don't know. I really don't know. I think maybe Uvuyokazi, she is well in her right to not want to settle for second position. She's still quite young. But 20 years down the line, I don't know if her reasoning would have changed. Unless maybe she meets a guy who will treat her well. But no woman should settle just because there's not good guys out there. Like, rather be single. But abantu abafani, you guys. But in all honesty, I do see it happening. If it would happen in the future where Vuyokazi comes back and becomes a second wife or what, I would not be surprised. I honestly would not be surprised because yeah, and obviously yambona nompumelelo ngathi une-future nyana. Une-future nyana ngithi niyambona uMsile ukuthi he's famous, he's a celeb. So nompumelelo une-future nyana. So wena ungayiyeka i-future nyana? Ungayiyeka na i-future nyana? Whereas you have 2 children with a guy. Hey guys, let's tell the truth, Phil. Let us tell the truth. But anyway, people are not the same. Tell me, guys, what you think about this whole thing of, Mpumelelo begging Uvuyokazi and using a strategy to keep her. I do think if he uses a strategy, he could possibly win her over. It's just that we are Delela and we are Yisa Mpumelelo, and yeah, quite frankly, he is still, I don't know, but his father's trying to show him the way by saying, humble yourself. And if you humble yourself, you will get to keep Uvuyokazi. We don't know about that. Anyway, guys, please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.